Tucked beneath the rolling hills of Lewisburg, West Virginia, Lost World Caverns is a subterranean wonder discovered in 1942. At first, locals thought the sinkhole was just an old dumping spot, but what lay beneath was anything but ordinary. After decades of obscurity, the caverns were fully open to the public in 1973, giving folks a chance to step into a silent world shaped by water, stone, and time. The main chamber stretches an impressive 1,000 feet long and 120 feet high, filled with towering stalagmites and dripping stalactites that have taken millions of years to form. One of the most famous features is the War Club, a 28-foot stalagmite that once earned a Guinness World Record when a man sat on top of it for over 16 days during a publicity stunt in 1971. You'll find formations with names like the Bridal Veil and Snowy Chandelier, each more surreal than the last. The Bridal Veil is made up of sparkling white calcite. The Snowy Chandelier is a 30-ton stalactite, which is presumed to be one of the nation's largest. For everyday visitors, a self-guided walking tour offers a half-mile loop through this underground cathedral, kept at a cool and steady 52 degrees all year round. But for the bold-hearted, there's a wild cave tour, a muddy, hands and knees crawl through undeveloped passages that takes around 4 hours. We didn't plan ahead for that one, so we'll have to do it next time we come. Above ground, the site also includes a small natural history museum featuring fossils, minerals, and even a reconstructed cave bear skeleton. Whether you're there to explore or just admire, Lost World Caverns is a journey into the hidden heart of Appalachia.